First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer pictures and videos from iPhone to computer, run the software. Connect your iPhone to your computer via USB. Tap Trust on your iPhone, then click Continue to go on. Data on your iPhone will be scanned out and displayed on the interface. To transfer videos, click Videos, Movies. Select the videos you want, click Export, and choose a location on your computer to save them. The chosen videos will be transferred to your computer. To transfer pictures, click Photos, Photos. Tick off the pictures you want, click Export, and choose a location on your computer to save them. The chosen pictures will be transferred to your computer.